4 bedrooms with 4 ensuite bathrooms. Large terraces overlooking the sea and an amazing location. Let's visit the penthouse of the Waterclub. Hello and welcome to the Waterclub, a beautiful development located on the west coast of Mauritius, just by the beach. The project includes gorgeous apartments and modern penthouses. And today we want to show you one of the best penthouses of the Waterclub. Follow us.
Welcome to the penthouse of the Waterclub. We are now in the central space of the penthouse where we have a beautiful living room, a dining area, and a fully equipped American-style kitchen. As you can see, the space here is very generous and open, which we love, especially when we're hosting or having our family around. This penthouse has 4 ensuite bedrooms, a perfect fit for families. Let's have a look at them. This is the master bedroom. Crisp linens, tropical scents, and look at the view! What dreams are made of? But before we head out, let's check out the bathroom and the dressing room, shall we? What is really interesting about this penthouse is that it is surrounded by terraces offering both views on the sea and on the mountains. What we also love is the large opening it has. It really promotes the indoor-outdoor living style that we all love so much. The main terrace of the penthouse has its own private pool, dining area, and lounging space, perfect to catch the magical sunsets of Mauritius.
Hello everybody, my name is Manon. I'm part of the project development team at the Waterclub, and today I would like to talk about the lifestyle at the Waterclub. We got a very nice kiosk and common area where you will have access to a barbecue area and also to a very nice pool where you can have a nice swim, and also some sunbeds where you can just enjoy during the day and have a tanning session with your friends. You also have an access to the river, a direct access, as it is waterfront projects are available to foreigners. The project will also offer boats, which is quite nice because you can just go on a boat ride and go to Benitier Island and just enjoy. So yeah, I think it's a quite rare project on the West Coast and it's a product to discover.